I'm sure you are doing great, and hope everything is smooth. Yeah, hope you are enjoying our videos, and it's really nice to see you out there once again. And I need to tell you guys I love you guys because you are ready to learn. Just keep watching, keep subscribing, and keep following us up. I'll be updating you with lovely videos on mathematics that will help you in solving the calculations. Thank you guys, love you. Now once again, we are treating a question. Here's a question right before us. Given that sin theta is equal to 8 minus 17, calculate the value of cos theta, tan theta, cos theta plus sin theta over cos theta minus sin. Some people like, wow, what kind of mathematics is this? Yeah, I can't solve this one degree of tan theta, cos theta here and there. It's very simple. But before we move further, I would like us to finish the province of the trigonometry we were doing, the formulas we were actually treating in the last class. And so now, remember that he said sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Let's have this 1. Now let's assume this cos square theta goes to this other side, becomes sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. This is another formula 2. Now, what if I choose to divide both sides by sin cos square theta? So divide equation 2 by cos square theta. So I'm going to have sin square theta over cos square theta is equal to 1 over cos square theta minus cos square theta over cos square theta. Cos square theta will cancel cos square theta. Now, remember, sin square theta over cos square theta from the word sin theta over cos theta, what will it give us? It will give us tan square theta. So 1 over cos theta, 1 over cos theta from our earlier video on trigonometry, 1 over cos theta gives us sec theta. So now that it's carrying a square, now it becomes sec square theta. Then cos square theta minus over cos square theta gives us minus 1. So by the time this minus 1 comes to this on that side, it becomes tan square theta plus 1. Or you can as well say 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square theta. This gives us equation 3. Very simple. Now, let's come back to this equation 2 again. Let's assume I want to divide it by sin square theta now. Divide equation 2 by sin square theta. So it's going to be sin square theta over sin square theta is equal to 1 over sin square theta minus cos square theta over sin square theta. So what do you see? Sin square theta over sin square theta now, it gives us 1. Yes, this one cancel this to give us 1. Then we have it 1 over sin theta. What does it give us? It gives us cosecant. If you can remember in our first video in our trigonometry, 1 over cos sin theta gives us cosecant theta. So that is carrying square becomes cosec square theta. Now, what is cos square theta over sin square theta? Remember that sin theta over cos theta gives us tan theta. So cos theta over sin theta gives us cot theta. But it's going with square now, it's going to become minus cot square theta. So therefore, what do we do? So cos square theta now becomes, let this cos square come to the side, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square theta. Cosec square theta, equation 3. So do you see now? Look at what equation 1 gives to us, sin square theta plus cos square theta gives us 1. Equation 2, by the time this cos square theta goes to this other side, because sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, then equation 3 now, we are now having divide both sides by cos square theta, then we ended up having 1 plus tan square theta will give us sec square theta. This is our equation 3. Now equation 4 now, divide the same equation 2 by sin square theta, we ended up having 1 plus cos square theta gives us cosec square theta. This is our equation 4. Yeah, it's very simple. These are the advanced a little bit advanced formulas that can be proved from the Pythagoras theorem. So let's come back to our question. Now, having known that, let's come back to the question given to us. Give that sin theta is equal to 8 over 17, calculate the value of cos theta. Know fully well that whenever a question like this is given to you, you don't need to bother a lot. You just have to know how to utilize your triangle. Remember trigonometry, triangle, tree. So draw your triangle. Now, what is given to us from the question? We're given sin theta is equal to 8 over 17. Are you getting it? So now, let's assume this is my angle, and this is my A as well, B, then C. So let's assume from my angle now, what is sin theta? Sin theta, if you can recall, sin theta is what? Sin theta is what? Opposite over hypotenuse. So what this simply means that 8 is equal to opposite, 17 is equal to hypotenuse. So let me write it out. Opposite is equal to 8. Hypotenuse is equal to 17. From the question given to us, 17, 8. So now what we can say is that now that we are having the hypotenuse and the opposite. So where do I put my opposite? This is my angle opposite 8. Where do I put my hypotenuse? The longest side, which is what? 17. Don't forget to this 17. So we have 17. So now that we are having 17 now, what happens next? We need to find this adjacent. What is the formula for Pythagoras? Remember, Pythagoras says that b squared is equal to a squared plus c squared. And from this now, what's our b squared? We can say b is equal to what? Which is the longest side, 17. And a, which is our adjacent, is equal to what? We don't know. It's not given. A, we don't know. B, c. So what are c? Our c is what? 8. So let's substitute this into the formula. So we are going to have 17 squared is equal to a, we don't know, a squared plus what is c squared. So let's subtract it. So we have 17 squared minus 8 squared is equal to a squared. So 17 squared, 289. 289 minus 8 squared will give us 64. It's equal to a squared. Remember this a squared, this is not 9. So 289 minus 64 gives us 225. 225. That's a squared. So what do you take square root on both sides? Then this square comes to this other side, becomes root. So we have square root 225 is equal to a. So 225, if you find the square root, to give us 15. It's equal to a. So our a, which is the adjacent, is equal to 15. So the next thing to do now is say find cos theta. So what's cos theta? A now, cos theta, which is equal to car, adjacent over hypotenuse. What's our adjacent now? Our adjacent is a. What's the value for our a is 15. So we have 15 over, what's the hypotenuse longest side? 17. Now they say, what's the tan? Tan, which is tan theta, which is adjacent over opposite. Yes, adjacent over opposite. What's the adjacent? Adjacent is 15. What's the opposite? 8 over 8. So we've gotten it now. So now that is for B. So for C now, they say find cos theta plus sin theta. Cos theta plus sin theta over cos theta minus sin theta. What's cos theta, class? Cos theta plus sin theta over cos theta minus sin theta. So what's cos theta? Cos theta, remember, is 15 over 17. So 15 over 17 plus what's sin theta? Sin theta is given to us from the question 8 over 17. 8 over 17 all over, sorry, 8 over 17 all over. Now cos theta again is 15 over 17 minus 8 over 17. So if you go on to calculation, the LCM for the upper side is 17. 15 plus 8 to give us 23 all over. The LCM on that side is 17. 15 minus 8. 15 minus 8 to give us 7. That's 7. So at the end of the day, we have 23 over 17 times 17 over 7. Yes. So this one will cancel this. Then at the end we are going to have 23 over 7. That's the answer. So I hope you understood how we go about this. If you have a question on this, please put it on the comment box as we address it appropriately. Thank you very much for viewing our video. Remember, we love you. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends. Have a nice day. See you in the next video we shoot. God bless you. Bye.